Welcome to Expert Professional Tips Part 3. Here are even more tips you didn't know you needed. After consistent wear, synthetic pieces can sometimes frizz or tangle at the ends, leaving your wig looking matted. Try using a brush on the underside of the hair while steaming the outer side so that you can push down more firmly with the steamer. This will help smooth the ends while detangling the fibers, leaving your piece looking fresh. As you know from Part 2, putting concealer on the part of your piece can add more of a skin-like appearance. But for those darker knots that aren't getting as light as you'd like, you can put concealer under the knots and nude eyeshadow on top to give you a more natural-looking part. It's a common suggestion to tweeze your part, but with most of our Wigs.com pieces with monofilament features, such as lace front or monopart, the knots are tied on top of the lace. So in order to not damage your lace front, carefully break the knot with a needle, safety pin, or another fine pointed object. Then comb out the hair with a fine-tooth comb to remove the untied strands. Using a wig grip is a great way to keep your piece secure, but sometimes the grip needs a little more traction to stay in place. You can use a little hairspray where the grip sits to help adhere it to your head and minimize any movement. Thanks for watching.